Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube. It's a great way to keep track of your audience and interact with your supporters. So let's get started. Open your YouTube app or go to the YouTube website on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your YouTube account. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio page, scroll down, and here you will see the Recent Subscribers section. Click on See All. You'll be taken to a page that displays information about your subscribers. This includes their usernames and profile pictures. You can scroll through the list to see who has subscribed to your channel. It's a great way to connect with your audience. And that's it. You now know how to see your subscribers on YouTube. It's a simple process that can help you stay engaged with your viewers and supporters.